Temperatures and humidity in South Alabama are climbing, and Climate Masters Inc., your local home air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance experts, is here with a series of limited-time stackable coupon offers to beat the summer heat. If you're a first-time Climate Masters customer, enjoy $50 off any service repair. Stack this coupon with a coupon for a $25 service call for first-time Climate Masters customers. Stack this offer with Climate Masters AC maintenance service discounted to $12.99 per month. Enjoy 2 precision HVAC tune-ups per year, a 15% discount on parts and labor, 24-hour emergency service, access to our after-hours HVAC technicians, and more. Plus, you can stack this offer with $500 off a whole house dehumidifier purchased from and installed by the experts at Climate Masters Inc. Get ready to breathe better with the last stackable offer, $250 off a Solaris air purifier purchased from and installed by our NATE certified techs. Pick one or stack them all if you qualify. Just be sure to give Climate Masters Inc. today at 251-626-9231. Tell us which offers you'd like to claim and where you saw them, and start saving immediately.